I'm Maddix.
I'm Maverick.
Today we're going to test out which one's better.
Dairy Queen's Oreo Blizzard
Or McDonald's Oreo McFlurry.
We're at McDonald's!
Got it.
Dairy Queen!
You're not just getting Oreo Blizzard.
Got it.
The smallest size at Dairy Queen is a mini, and that's $4.99 plus tax.
But a regular sized McFlurry from McDonald's is $4.49 plus tax. The McFlurry weighed in at 9.1 ounces, with the cup weighing in at 0.4 ounces.
But the Blizzard weighed 5.9 ounces, and its cup weighed 0.2 ounces.
We're gonna do a blind taste test to see which one's better.
Here's bite number 1. Bite number 2. Which one tasted better? The first one or the second one?
I'm liking the second one.
You liking the second one? Okay. Option number 1. Option number 2. All right, based on what you're tasting, did you like option 1 or option 2 first?
Option 1.
You like option 1 the best?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, the results are in. Maddix, you chose option number
2.
Maverick, you chose option number
1.
Okay. You both made your picks. Are you ready to see which one won?
Yeah.
Blind taste test revealed that this is your favorite one. Dairy Queen.
Oh.
Dairy Queen wins the Oreo challenge. But in the end, this is really what matters. They get to eat both.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.